Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Flying V Outdoors. I appreciate y'all, and this morning is almost as beautiful as you are. Yeah, that's right. We're trying to start your day off on a good note. Cold front. We're teal hunting a cold front. I say we, it's just me and the camera, so I guess that's we, me, and you guys, you're coming with me, okay? So we're teal hunting this cold front. It was 90 degrees yesterday afternoon when I got off work. This morning, 50 degrees. It's a cold front, baby. Now, the downside of this is the cold front pushed through and it's already down in South Louisiana. I looked at the radar this morning. My hope is that there's birds here. It pushed them down. They're hanging out. It's not super cold here. But I cannot guarantee that. You're always hopeful, though, right? I actually brought the trolling motor with me. Shooting light's about 6:30 this morning. It's 5:50 right now. I'm almost to the lake. I'm not in a big hurry. I don't think anyone else will be out here, knock on wood. I've got a dozen and 2 dozen teal decoys, 2 MOJOs, and a shotgun. There were some birds on this lake. I don't know if there are today. With teal hunting, it just every freaking second changes the entire layout of everything. But all that being said, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends, show some support, guys. If you're a subscriber, do the same thing. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Flying V Outdoors, and you can find the Flying V podcast on all your favorite streaming platforms. Let's get to hunting. Well, so far, guys, we've had some crazy wood duck action, but I haven't seen the first teal yet, and my decoys are drifting bad. So my yak I got kind of anchored up to this tree. Loader MOJO is leaving this lake. And then we got, that's where we started our decoys at. So, of course, freaking group of teal, as soon as I was coming back with that MOJO, fucking buzzed the decoys. Well, I hit one for sure. I think I see it over there too. That was a nice group, and I just couldn't hit them. There's more flying. First shots out of my kayak this year, man. That's tough. Yes, sir, we did. One blue wing. All right, let's go. I knew I hit one. Beautiful blue wing. Thank you, Lord. Man, this sun came up. Look at this. I didn't plan this too well. The sun came up and it's right in my face. So if anything comes from straight ahead, I ain't gonna see it till it's in my face. The good news is it's a beautiful. Oh, Finally back on the bank, guys. My freaking motor caught on fire, dude. I'm not even kidding you. Look at this. It's still hot. That's the plug, or one end of it, I should say. That's the cable wires. Where's the wires off this? I have to throw this in the water. But look, that's no bueno, dude. We're gonna have to up our gauge. What had happened was, guys, see, this is the rope I use to keep my motor tied up, or to pull it up in case I'm running through stumps and stuff. Well, somehow it fell out of the kayak, got sucked up on the prop, and this carabiner was hooked on this so it wouldn't go. Well, I had it turned on high. I guess I forgot to turn it off. So I was leaning back in the kayak out there on the lake, leaning back here trying to reach the carabiner to get it off. While I was doing that, I felt something hot on my side because I was laying over all this. And I started seeing smoke, and it was this. So I ripped this plug out as quick as I could, and that's what happened is all these wires were melted and started pulling off, and I unplugged the battery as quick as I could. It was smoking from the box too, the control box. That's no bueno, man. So we're gonna have to figure that one out. Put some type of security up in there, so if that happens again, it'll just cut power, put a fuse in it or something, because that one's fucking sketchy, man. I was out in the lake. I mean, it's only about 5 feet, 6 feet deep, but that's deep enough. Hand waders in the kayak. I was leaning over the back. There's nothing worse than a fire in the middle of the water in a plastic boat that's covered in fake grass. 10 out of 10. Not cool with that one. I was like shaking. So yeah, it was a long paddle back. But I'm okay. So I am the poster child though for if bad things happen or are gonna happen, then they will happen to me. So I'm just thankful we're okay. We did get one teal. Yeah, stay tuned for the video of me redoing the trolling motor setup. I appreciate all y'all for watching, man. Thankfully, like I said, I'm okay. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. A bunch of BS is always happening on here. So again, guys, thanks for everything. Thanks for the support of the channel. I am late for work already, so I gotta bounce. We'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching Flying V Outdoors.